In the world of technology, few inventions have been as transformative as the computer mouse. This unassuming device, now ubiquitous, has revolutionized the way we interact with computers. It all began in the 1960s with a visionary engineer named Douglas Engelbart. Engelbart, working at the Stanford Research Institute, was exploring ways to make computers more intuitive. He envisioned a device that could translate human hand movements directly onto the computer screen. This led to the birth of the first computer mouse in 1964. This first mouse was a far cry from the sleek devices we use today. It was a clunky wooden box with a single button on top. However, this humble invention would go on to change the course of computing history, paving the way for the graphical user interfaces we now take for granted. The early computer mouse, while groundbreaking, was far from perfect. It was imprecise, prone to dirt and dust interference, and limited in its functionality. However, the potential of the mouse was undeniable, and over the following decades it underwent a series of significant improvements. One of the first major innovations was the introduction of the trackball mouse in the 1970s. This new design used a ball to detect movement, offering greater precision and reliability. Then, in the 1980s came the optical mouse, which replaced the ball with a light sensor, further enhancing accuracy and reducing maintenance. The evolution didn't stop there. With the advent of wireless technology, the cumbersome cord that tethered the mouse to the computer became a thing of the past. The introduction of laser technology in the late 1990s further improved tracking accuracy and responsiveness. Behind every great invention is a team of brilliant minds, and the computer mouse is no exception. While Douglas Engelbart is credited with the initial invention, many others have contributed to its evolution and success. One such innovator was Xerox PARC, a research center known for its pioneering work in computer science. In the 1970s, they refined the mouse design and integrated it into their groundbreaking Alto computer, a precursor to the personal computers we use today. Another key figure was Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple. Jobs saw the potential of the mouse to make computers more user-friendly and incorporated it into the first Macintosh computer, released in 1984. This move helped popularize the mouse and bring it to the mass market. The impact of the computer mouse on technology and our daily lives is immeasurable. It has played a pivotal role in making computers accessible to the masses, ushering in the era of personal computing. Prior to the mouse, interacting with computers was a cumbersome task, often requiring users to learn complex command line interfaces. The mouse's intuitive point-and-click interface revolutionized the way we use computers. It enabled the development of graphical user interfaces, making computers more visually appealing and easier to navigate. From word processing and spreadsheets to web browsing and gaming, the mouse has become an indispensable tool for countless tasks. The invention of the computer mouse marked a turning point in the history of computing. It transformed the way we interact with technology, making computers more accessible, intuitive, and enjoyable to use. As technology continues to evolve, the legacy of the mouse is sure to live on, inspiring future generations of innovators to create even more intuitive and user-friendly devices.